Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have 4 different job updates. So the today's job updates are: the first company, it is Infor Hiring, and the second one, so DHL Express, and the third one is the American Express, that is Amex GBT, and the fourth company, it is H&M Services India Private Limited. So we shall quickly see each company and the requirements. So the first company, that is Infor Hiring, and the role they are hiring is for .NET developer, and the expected salary of the CTC, so 6 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Hyderabad. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the freshers are eligible to apply for this particular job role, and the qualification needed, so either B or BTech graduates, so from any other technical streams. It can be computer science, information technology, electronics and communication. So those who has knowledge of .NET, so they are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So the skills needed is that, so as they are hiring for .NET developer, you need to have strong knowledge in .NET programming and the .NET core and its internals, everything you need to have knowledge on this. And if you are good in, so proficient in C# programming and good understanding of design and architectural patterns, and also you need to have skill for writing reusable C# libraries and knowledge of Microsoft SQL Server and TSQL. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So to apply, you can just click on apply now. So you can see this is the application form. So there are 4 different steps. So first is you need to upload your updated resume. So you can just upload your resume in a drive and add the link, or you can just attach your document. And then once you complete the first step, so second one will be the personal information, so wherein you need to enter your personal details, everything, and then self ID, the job the qualifications and everything. If you have any of the experience, so do add that, and later there will be few job related specific questions, so do answer all the things, and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the first company, that is Infor. So the second one, that is DHL Hiring, and the role they are hiring is for associate engineer, and the expected salary, so 6 plus LPA, and the work location is Chennai, and they are hiring for both freshers as well as experienced graduates. So then coming to the 0 to 3 years of experience is needed, and then so the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role, so you need to be good in MS Office and effective English communication, so both written as well as verbal, and you need to have exposure to working with enterprise platforms. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role, and the bachelor's degree, so they are eligible to apply. So coming to the application link, so you can see, so these are the 3 steps. First is you need to upload your updated resume. So then the second step is you need to add your personal information, and the last is there will be few job related questions, so you can just answer those and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the second company, that is DHL, and the third company, that is American Express, that is Amex GBT Hiring, and the role they are hiring is for software developer engineer 1, development engineer 1, that is SDE 1, and the salary or the CTC, so the starting salary it is 12 LPA, and the experience needed, so both freshers as well as experience, 1 to 3 years of experience is needed to apply for this particular job role, and the work location is Gurgaon. So then coming to the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role, so the main skills is that you need to have knowledge on UI technologies and frameworks like JavaScript, HTML5 and React framework, and you need to have strong programming knowledge on object oriented programming. It can be JavaScript, Java or anything, and knowledge of data structures and algorithms. So you can see the proficiency in either Java programming or Python programming or Golang programming is needed, and then you need to have knowledge on how to develop and deploy the AWS cloud based platforms, and hands-on knowledge on EKS, Lambdas, kinesis and storage services. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role, and apart from that you need to have knowledge on various agile methodologies. And then qualification is like, so either bachelor degree, BS or MS in computer science or any other equivalent degree graduates are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So then coming to the application link, so it is through Workday job. So you can see these are the 4 different ways to apply for this particular job role. So you can autofill with resume, or you can apply manually by filling all the required details, or you can use your last application if you already have the account with Workday job, and if you have uploaded the updated resume, so you can just click use your last application. And the last step is you can apply with LinkedIn. So you can use any of these 4 different ways to apply for this particular job role. So this was all about the third company, that is Amex, and the last company, so H&M Services India Private Limited, and they are hiring for associate software engineer, and the work location is Bangalore, and the experience needed, so 1 to 3 years of experience is needed, and the salary of the CTC, so 11 to 12 lakhs per annum. So this H&M Services, so it is through e-litmus. So you can just see the eligibility criteria for this particular job role, either BA or BTech graduates or MCA graduates in either computer science or information technology, and the batch eligible 2023. And then you need to have good academic track record, so at least you need to have 60% or more than that to apply for this particular job role. And the next thing is that coming to the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role, so you need to have strong knowledge on either C, C++ or Java programming, or proficient in either one or more programming languages, such as it can be Java, .NET, Python or JavaScript is needed. And you need to have knowledge on data structures and algorithms, and knowledge of SQL. And then like you need to be familiar with the code versioning, like Git, like version control systems such as Git or GitHub is needed. And if you have participated in any of the hackathons or coding competitions, so it will be an added advantage for this particular job role. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So to apply for this, you need to log in with your e-litmus credentials, and then you can directly upload your updated resume, and you can fill all your details, your education details, experience details, and you can upload your updated resume. And if you have any of the certifications, so do add those, and you can just submit the application form. So the candidates who will be shortlisted, so on their performance in online assessment, so the interview will be conducted in the Bangalore office, but the assessment will be online. So this was all about the last company, that is H&M Services. So the link for all these 4 companies, so it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this particular job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.